Welcome back. This time we are making the onion claw. We start with a piece of square bar 12 millimeters by 200 millimeters, creating a shoulder by using the edge of the anvil to thin down the beginning of the shank. We then flatten out that front area that will later be turned into the prongs of the claw. Now we move on to drawing out the shank to make it longer and giving it a subtle taper. This process takes some time and multiple heats. In real time, it can sometimes feel like the metal is not even moving at all, but when we speed up the video, it becomes clear. Now we flip the piece around and start working on the back, where we are later going to add a loop. For the loop, we again use the edge of the anvil to create a shoulder and start drawing it out. Unfortunately, I didn't move the camera for the bending of the loop. We fine-tune the loop till it looks acceptable. Let's straighten the shank and get the front ready for the hot cutting of the prongs. Here you can see how quickly the cool chisel draws away the heat while doing the hot cut. Again, this will need a few heats, making sure to cool down the chisel every time as to not ruin the temper of the chisel. We stand the piece on its back end, and using the chisel, we open the prongs up a bit. Moving the piece every which way, we work on the prongs, drawing them out and bending them where we want them to be. This is a slow and careful process, so we take our time and move metal slowly. Making a mistake here and damaging one of the prongs will mean we scrap the piece or have to change the design. Now we can start bending the prongs into a claw-like shape. Fine-tuning the shape until we like the way it looks. This is the final result. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.